Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered what your laptop is up to behind the scenes? Today, we're uncovering some cool and quirky facts about laptops that you probably didn't know. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Sunbathing no-no. Did you know your laptop doesn't like sunbathing? Yup, direct sunlight can make it overheat. Keep it cool in the shade, and your laptop will thank you. Fact 2. Secret cleanup crew. Meet your laptop's secret cleanup crew. It quietly tidies up unnecessary files to keep things running smoothly. It's like having a little helper doing spring cleaning for your laptop. Fact 3. Caps lock clue. Have you ever noticed your caps lock key blinking? It's not playing hide and seek, it's a clue. Your laptop is letting you know you're typing in uppercase. Sneaky, right? Fact 4. Battery birthday. Surprise! Your laptop's battery has a birthday, usually around 2 to 4 years. After that, it might not party as long. Keep an eye on that battery lifespan. Fact 5. Speaker surprise. Here's a sound surprise. Some laptops hide their speakers under the keyboard. It's like magic, the sound is literally at your fingertips. Who knew laptops had so many tricks up their sleeves? If you enjoyed these tech tidbits, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech magic. Until next time, Tech Explorers.